Okay, check it out some of the figures in your maths practice book given on page number 21. Okay, now here you can see some of the diagrams given in question number 9, and on page number 22 also, as you can see these diagrams, and on the basis of these diagrams there are 6 questions to be answered by you all. Okay, now here you can see I had described here that tick is full squares, symbol of tick is considered to be as a full squares, dot as more than half squares, and cross is half squares. Now you can see in figure A I had made it full squares, that is tick, and I had kept it dot, that is more than half. So considering this diagram as A of A, you are having 18 total squares. In B you have total 22 squares. In C you have total 20 squares, and D you have 15 squares. E you have 32 squares, and F you have 63 squares. Now on the basis of this you have to answer the questions. You can count it out as full squares, as the tick one are the full squares, you can see here, right? Now those who are covering more than half of the figure are counted as more than half squares. So total are 18, as we count full and more than half also as a part of full squares. Here also there are full squares, more than half squares, and half squares. You can see 4 cross on the boxes that are half squares. In C also we have more than half, that is dots, and tick mark for the full square, so total are 20. And in D you can see we have full tick marks, that are full box squares, and dots are the more than half squares. In figure E and figure F also you can check it out, the ticks as full squares, and here in figure number E you have 2 half boxes that I had made it cross, that you have to count one whole square, so total are 32 squares. And in figure F we have full squares as well as more than half squares, that makes 63 squares. Now here answer the questions. I had sent you the pic to answer the questions of these figures, and now these figures are all drawn in one square paper. That square paper is nothing but a graph paper. Hopefully this will be understood by you and solve the sums accordingly.